Welcome back, everybody, to Sucker Punch, where you really never know what you're going to get. Now, this video comes from Vilano Beach, Florida, where there was a boat that was overloaded, and these people just had no freaking idea what they were doing, so they had to do a little pulling technique, which ended up in a big, huge fail. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video. It's never a good idea to use a tow strap to pull out an oversized boat, especially with a tiny ass vehicle like this. You know this is not going to end well. Sometimes you go, really, what the fuck is going on in people's minds? It's got its ass end up. Oh, there it goes. It never fails. When these bright ideals come into play, you know what? It always fails. Anyway, guys, we do have a primary channel for YouTube for nothing but boating, and it's called Bad Boats, and I'm going to put the description below. Anyway, again, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification button, and we will see you on the next video.